Hey guys, so today's video is sponsored by Aveda. I'm going to be showing you these loose curls that I wear all the time. If you guys want to see how I achieve these curls, then keep watching. So to start off this hairstyle, I'm using the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, and this is from Aveda. I will link it down below. But basically, this is a multitasking formula, so it's a detangler and a leave-in treatment, but it also preps your styles, and it's a heat protectant for up to 450 degrees, which I love. And it's also 97% naturally derived, so that means that it has a lot of amazing natural ingredients in it. What I love about it is it smells so amazing. It has its own Aveda perfume aroma. Now I'm just using Aveda's wooden paddle brush, which is my favorite brush. It literally brushes through my hair so smoothly. It's definitely my favorite brush right now. So yeah, I'm just brushing out my hair, getting all the tangles out, and then I'm taking my blow dryer and just blow drying my hair. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go back in and just make sure my whole head is dry, because even after all that blow drying, sometimes my hair is still a little bit wet. So I'm just gonna make sure everything is dry, and then I'm gonna section off the top, and I'm gonna begin curling. So I'm just using a curling rod. Anyone will do. I think it's like a 1-inch. So I just kind of wrap my hair around, facing away from my face, and then I let it go, and that is literally it. It is so easy, and this is how I curl my hair every day, and I just think it's the easiest, and it really gives you those really pretty, loose, wavy curls. And I do like to brush out each section before I curl it, just so that all the curls are nice and smooth. Now I'm taking the top section down, and I'm kind of doing the exact same thing I did with the blow drying. So I'm taking down half, and I'm going to work on that half. And of course, I'm brushing it out before I curl it. So yeah, looks like I lost some footage there. It went straight to the other side, but you guys get the point. So just brushing and then curling, and that is it. It's super easy. Okay, so before I do anything to the curls, I like to let them set and cool down. Then I just take my Aveda Air Control hairspray, which is my favorite hairspray right now. It is so amazing. It's light. It doesn't leave a crunch, which I hate. I don't even like using hairspray, but I will only use this one because it is just so light and airy and feels like I don't have hairspray in my hair, but it does keep the curls in place. So I'm just kind of spraying while I'm shaking my hair, you know, just kind of loosening the curls, and then I'm doing one last spray to set them in place, and that is basically it for this hairstyle. But wait, there's more. I'm now using the Damage Remedy Split End Repair. This stuff is so amazing. It's a life changer for me because I have some split ends. So I am just applying this in my ends, and you can see my hair looks longer because it just kind of defluffed the ends, and it just looks nicer and healthier. So now I'm doing the other side, and this stuff is a miracle worker. Like, I'm gonna use this every day of my life. I love it so much. So that was my tutorial on these loose curls. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to purchase any of the products, you guys can check out Aveda.com or go to any Aveda store or salon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.